Integrating Bill4Time expense tracking into your workflow can greatly simplify your financial management and streamline your billing process. To get started, you need to have a Bill4Time account and a basic understanding of expense tracking concepts. First, you need to log in to your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Settings section. Here you can find the expense tracking feature and enable it for your account. Once enabled, you can start adding expenses by clicking on the New Expense button and filling out the required fields such as date, amount, and description. It is essential to categorize your expenses properly to ensure accurate reporting and billing. Bill4Time allows you to create custom expense categories and assign them to specific clients or projects. This way you can easily track and bill expenses to the correct client or project. To make expense tracking more efficient, you can also upload receipts and attach them to the corresponding expenses. This helps to keep all your expense-related documents in one place and makes it easier to verify expenses during audits or when generating reports. Another key feature of Bill4Time expense tracking is the ability to set up automatic expense import from your credit card or bank account. This eliminates the need to manually enter expenses and reduces the risk of missing or duplicate entries. To take full advantage of Bill4Time expense tracking, it is crucial to establish a regular routine of reviewing and approving expenses. This ensures that all expenses are accurate and up to date, and that any discrepancies are addressed promptly. Best practices for using Bill4Time expense tracking include setting clear expense policies, providing regular training to employees, and conducting regular audits to ensure compliance. By following these best practices and using Bill4Time expense tracking effectively, you can significantly improve your financial management and reduce the administrative burden associated with expense tracking. In conclusion, integrating Bill4Time expense tracking into your workflow is a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on your financial management. By following the steps outlined in this guide and establishing a regular routine of reviewing and approving expenses, you can ensure accurate and efficient expense tracking and billing.